Which train horn kit is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1. Gampro 150dB Train Horn. First up is the Gampro 150dB Car Air Horn, priced at $28.99. What caught my attention here is how it promises to deliver a loud 150dB sound with an impressive chrome-plated zinc finish. If you want a reliable horn to catch attention on the road, this is worth a serious look. This horn kit is designed for any 12V vehicle, which means it doesn't just cater to trucks, but also motorcycles, boats, and even ATVs. The all-copper air compressor hits 5,000 revolutions per minute for lightning-fast response, letting you alert others quickly when needed. Plus, its installation is straightforward thanks to included wiring components and clear instructions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for a horn that ensures other drivers and pedestrians hear you, this one does the job without making your wallet cry. Now, some people complain about the sound quality not being as crisp as expected. Here's the thing though, for the price and power, the loudness tends to compensate for that, especially if you're using it in a busy environment where safety is your priority. This is perfect for you if you're driving a variety of 12V vehicles and want a straightforward installation. Skip this one if you're looking for something with fancy features, as it focuses purely on loudness and reliability. Now, if the sound quality on the Gampro bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its design and performance. Product number 2, HK Super Loud Dual Trumpet. Next, we have the HK Super Loud Dual Trumpet Air Horn Kit, priced at $27.99. The first thing that stood out to me was its dual trumpet design, which can deliver a powerful 150dB tone that's effective in any weather. This horn also features an upgraded air compressor that boosts sound clarity and volume, making it a great safety companion when you're on the road. It fits a wide variety of vehicles, so whether you're cruising in a truck or a boat, you can easily install it with the included mounting hardware and wiring. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When driving, you need a horn that not only sounds good, but also effectively warns others of your presence, especially in crowded areas. However, some users mentioned it can take a while to install due to the number of components. But honestly, if you can dedicate some time to set it up properly, the payoff is a powerful sound that makes it worth the hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a loud and clear horn with a solid build. Skip this one if you prefer something simpler to install right out of the box. The value for money here is solid, considering the features. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you who really want to make a statement. Product number 3, Karfka 150dB Electric Horn. The Karfka 150dB Train Horn is up next, priced at $23.65. What caught my eye is its promise of a loud tone with durability, all while being budget-friendly. If you want something effective without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This horn is another universal fit for any 12V vehicle and boasts a strong air compressor, ensuring it produces a clear warning sound when you need it most. Its chrome-plated zinc construction helps resist rust, which is essential for longevity. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you live in an area where the weather can be unpredictable, you want something that's going to hold up. However, I did see some reviews mentioning issues with the installation instructions being unclear. But here's the thing. Once you get past that initial confusion, the horn performs really well, providing that loud alert you're looking for. This is perfect for you if you want a cost-effective solution that doesn't skimp on quality. Skip this if you prefer a more premium feel in materials and sound. The value is undeniable for what you're getting. Now, if installation ease was a concern for you, the next product might just have the solution you need. Product number 4, Vever 4-Trumpet Air Horn Kit. Next up is the Vever 4-Trumpet Air Horn Kit, which is a bit pricier at $89.90. This caught my attention because it includes a hefty compressor and 4 trumpets, producing a robust 150dB sound that carries far. If you want to go all out with your horn setup, this is worth a serious look. This kit is designed for anyone needing strong penetration. So if you do a lot of long-distance driving or navigate sharp turns, it's an excellent choice. The compressor operates within a 90 to 120 psi range and even has a gauge for real-time pressure monitoring. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A consistent air pressure means your horn will always sound its best, helping you alert others effectively. However, some users mention the price might be a bit steep compared to simpler options. But I'll be real with you. The sound quality and the sheer volume from 4 trumpets make it worth the investment if you prioritize safety and visibility on the road. This is perfect for you if you're often driving in heavy traffic or rural areas where being heard is crucial. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, as it does come with a higher price tag, but offers great value and performance. Alright, that was a premium choice. But the last product on my list is a slightly different take on the same concept. Product number 5, Vever 4-Trumpet Air Horn, 1.6 gallons tank. Finally, we have another option from Vever, their 4-trumpet air horn kit with a 1.6 gallon tank, priced at $107.90. What stood out here is not just the sound, but the added air tank for enhanced performance. If you're serious about your horn game, this is worth a serious look. This kit operates similarly to the previous Vever model, but with a larger air tank, providing a more robust and sustained sound. The heavy-duty materials used mean this setup is built for the long haul, and the features like shock absorption and high-temperature resistance make it reliable in various conditions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you drive through extreme weather or rough terrains, you'll appreciate the durability and performance. On the downside, some users found the installation a bit tricky due to the added complexity of the tank setup. But honestly, if you can get past that, the performance is top-notch and will definitely turn heads. This is perfect for you if you drive long distances often and want a horn that's reliable and powerful. Skip this one if you want something simple and easy to install. The investment is solid for the performance you'll get on the road. So, there you have it. A range of options that cater to different needs and budgets. To wrap it up, we looked at 5 different train horn kits, each with its unique features. The GamPro offers great value at a budget price. The HK is ideal for those who want a straightforward setup. The Kafka is perfect for budget-conscious buyers. The Vever 4-Trumpet kit gives you the loudest performance, while the upgraded version offers extra durability. Choose the one that fits your needs best.